Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for TikTok Go for partners. So if you would like to sign up for TikTok Go, which is a travel creator and a monetization program, you're going to have to simply launch your mobile app of TikTok Studio. And once you launch the TikTok Studio app, make sure that you already have like 1,000 followers and that you are 18 plus. In your TikTok Studio, you're going to have to launch Monetization Opportunities tab. You will see it when you're logged into your account. In my case, I do not have 1,000 followers, so that option might not be available to me. But if you have 1,000 followers, you will definitely see the monetization opportunities. And from there, you will also see TikTok Go Partner Portal. You may go ahead and simply tap on TikTok Go Partner Portal. And as you tap onto that portal, log into your account. And then you will see Join at the beside section. Tap on Join and then it will unlock your travel collaboration tabs and campaign options. So that is for individual creators, but if you are a business agency or maybe service partner, you're going to have to visit TikTok Go Partner Portal and create one to start your registration. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.